Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Science is such a subject that can take place anywhere and anytime. Science is a labyrinth of not only mysteries and puzzles, but also of principles, laws, and solutions.
So let us break these mere cretinous prejudices that we tend to make in our minds that principles of science can be a
Potato displaced a lot more water relative to the tomato.
We also observe that if the potato sinks. Why? Are you curious as to why such an observation was made in the first place? Well, if so, then let me explain it to you. Now, both tomato and potato, when dropped in water, experience a downward force of gravity. However, it is also experiences an upward force of water. This force is known as an upthrust force or a buoyant force, which we have now come to call it. The magnitude of this force will be equal to the weight of the water displaced by the tomato and the potato respectively. Potato being a solid and being compact in nature has a greater density and therefore is heavier. The water it would displace would be a bit less than its weight. Hence, the upward thrust exerted by the water on the potato is less. This causes the potato to actually sink in the water. Now, on the other hand, if you look at the tomato and the example, the tomato would be hollow in nature. This makes its density less than that of water and therefore lighter in weight. The water it would displace would be a bit less than its weight. Actually, it would be a bit more than its weight. And hence, the upward thrust exerted by the water on the tomato is more than the downward force. Hence, it would cause the tomato to float on water. I really hope you've learned something new here and interesting. This is me, Aditya Mahajan, taking your leave. Keep experimenting and learning new things. Hope you have a very nice day ahead. Bye.